Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another pillowcase. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. This one's gonna be my pillowcase. So, same as the other one, you know, of course, just spiral. We want all the bedding to match, even though the colors are gonna be different. And I'm gonna do blues and greens on mine. Because I like blues and greens. Those are my favorite of the colors that we do. Oh no. I'll say that's a thick one there. Thick boy. It's very cold out here, people. Like, we left this thing inside. We used warm water, set it in front of a heater. It is freezing out here. We're making it. Got a tie-dye for the people. So I told her generally what colors I want, but I didn't tell her exactly, so let's see what she surprises us with. We have some lime pop, I see. Definitely love the lime pop. Glacier blue.
Daddy's favorite.
Oh yeah,
The Great Glacier.
We love the Great Glacier. It's my favorite of the pastel blues for sure. It's hard to say what my favorite is. I love all blues. That bluebird's in a strong running for my favorite. I love that bluebird. It's so vibrant. A nice deep tone. Just depends on the mood, I guess, you know. To be 100% honest with y'all, there's not too many of these colors that we've tried that I just don't like at all. Most of them are pretty cool. There's only been like maybe one or two that didn't come out close to what our color chart shows. People always talk about them looking faded, but if you knew what they were supposed to look like, we've only ever had one that didn't come out like it was supposed to, and I don't even think we filmed it. We post most of the stuff we film, though. I mean, it's I'd say,
rare that we...
Yeah, like 85–90% of it goes up. We post our mistakes. The only reason we won't post something is if there's like a mistake on the video or audio side. But if we screw up the tie-dye, we're still gonna post that. That looked really good. So all told on this one, we've got Glacier Blue, Lime Pop, and Bluebird. Nice spectrum of green to blue, blue to green.
All right.
To the drying rack.
Let's go.
Bottom shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.